Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.